Redmi K40 will launch in China next month. The Redmi has announced the series is confirmed to come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. And the price of the Redmi K40 has been also revealed by Redmi General Manager Lu Weibing. The Redmi K40 series will be succeed the Redmi K30 series launched last year. There is not much else known about the Redmi K40 at the moment, but more about its design and specification can be expected to Teased in the run-up to launch in February. Weibing took to Weibo to announce that the Redmi K40 series will be launched next month. He also confirmed that the Redmi K40 series will be cost-effective flagship, and that its price will be started from CNY $2,999 $464. This is likely to have the base variant in the Redmi K40 series, and the more premium option with better RAM and storage can be expected to launch alongside. As mentioned, the one key specification of the Redmi K40 series to have been confirmed is that it will be powered by the Snapdragon 888. Apart from this, Weibing has also hinted at the AMOLED display for Redmi K40, but he also said that it won't have a 3D curved design like the Mi 11. The Redmi K40 looks to offer a long battery life and cost-effective price. There is nothing else about the phone in Weibing's latest post, but the company should test more details soon. Past leaks suggest that there may be a Redmi K40 Pro model in the pipeline, and the Redmi K30 Pro processor might ditch the pop-up camera design in the favor of the hole punch display. A recent live image leaks hint that Redmi K40 model may also feature a hole punch display design and the quad camera setup at the back. It is likely to support a USB Type-C port alongside a 3.5mm headphone jack.